The Solomon Islands is a Pacific island nation of about 600,000 people located between Papua New Guinea and Vanuatu. Downer's had a team here since 2012 and where we successfully undertook the Munda Runway project, which was 2 runways, one at Munda and one at Nusa Tupe in the Western Province, and also a road from Munda to Noro.
Solomon Islands are mainly of a Melanesian ethnicity, and the capital is Honiara, which is where we are today. Today we're here at replacing the Mataniko bridge, which was swept away during the floods in April. So the bridge has been out for a couple months now. As you can see, the water level came quite high up here and actually picked up the bridge right off the abutments and swept it right down the river.
I think all of Honiara has been relying on this bridge in terms of their movements. And when this bridge was washed out, it really had an impact on how we do business in Honiara. It has disconnected us for, I think, almost up to 2 months. And it's really causing a lot of confusion within the city because the traffic, as you might aware, is an issue that is currently ongoing, and cutting of this bridge is just adding on to the problem that we have. The request was given and the response from New Zealand government was very positive, and it was timely for them to bring in this structure and replace it. I think because the people are relying on it, there were a lot of support in terms of cooperations from the public during the construction of this bridge, and that's something that the government also appreciate from our population.
Downer were selected for this job, in particular because they hold the contract to install emergency Bailey bridges in New Zealand. They were quick to mobilise, very quick to respond. They of course had a presence here in Solomon Islands and existing working relationships, which simply all added up for a sensible solution. We needed a quick response and Downer were able to provide.
My role as a director is make sure all arrangements are in order for the shipments of materials and the personnel from the contractors moving in to the country to replace the old Mataniko bridge.
We packed the emergency bridge into a number of containers in Hastings, which were shipped to the islands here. We came over about a month later and started assembly. Probably the biggest challenge was the heat and humidity here. In saying that, we had a team of local employees of Downer. They hadn't installed a Bailey bridge before. They learned very quickly and they were amazing.
The key issues from New Zealand's perspective was simply efficiency, to get a new bridge here as quickly as possible to support the recovery and response efforts, to get Honiara moving again, to get commuters into work and back home. And really after arrival of the bridge components here at Honiara Port, it's really been just over 3 weeks and we've got a completed bridge, so that's a positive outcome.
The bridge has served its purpose as the representative of the Ministry of Infrastructure Development. I fully support what has been done and looking forward to a continued working relationship with New Zealand. Thank you.